Tired of wasting time on repetitive tasks when you could be focusing on growing your business? Today, we're diving into Zapier vs Power Automate to help you decide which no-code automation tool is the perfect fit for your business. Let's break it down. First up, ease of use. Zapier shines with its user-friendly interface. Perfect for beginners, its simple, visual editor makes building automated workflows, called Zaps, a breeze. You can easily connect apps with a few clicks and no coding required. Power Automate, on the other hand, is a bit more complex. While powerful, its interface can be overwhelming for newcomers. It requires a slightly steeper learning curve, but offers greater customization options. Next, let's talk integrations. Zapier boasts a massive library of over 5,000 integrations, connecting to virtually any app you can imagine. This makes it a versatile choice for businesses with diverse software stacks. Power Automate excels within the Microsoft ecosystem, offering seamless integration with Office 365, Dynamics 365, and other Microsoft products. While it also connects to non-Microsoft apps, its strength lies in its Microsoft-centric focus. Now, the all-important pricing. Zapier offers a range of plans, from free to enterprise, based on the number of Zaps and tasks you need. Power Automate's pricing is more complex, often bundled with Microsoft 365 subscriptions. Consider your current Microsoft licenses when evaluating costs. Feature-wise, both platforms offer robust capabilities. Zapier is known for its simplicity and speed, while Power Automate provides advanced features like conditional logic and approvals, catering to more sophisticated automation needs. So, which one is right for you? If you prioritize ease of use and a wide range of integrations, Zapier is a great choice. If you're heavily invested in the Microsoft ecosystem and need advanced features, Power Automate might be the better option. Assess your specific needs and try out the free versions to find your perfect automation partner.